Would you like to live in a cozy house with magic, panoramic views, and just 5 minutes walk to the beach? This house is like from a fairy tale. It has a lovely garden with fruit trees, a lot of relaxed spots. One of them is right by the water brook. The house has its privacy and is surrounded by lush Mediterranean vegetation. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 spacious cabinet with magic views, 2 bathrooms, 1 living room, and fully equipped kitchen. The house has recently been completely renovated and furnished with new furniture. That's a real paradise for just €395,000.